How much do you make per year? How much is your income tax per year? If you are an employee who receives W-2, let's say you are from New York, and your annual income is $100,000, and you are filing single, so the tax amount will be this. How about if I tell you that he pays much less income tax than you? What? Yes, these rich groups pay less individual income tax than we do because of a strategy of 3 words. From 2016 to 2018, Jeff Bezos, once the richest man in the world, paid a true tax rate of 0.98% of his wealth. During the time period, Tesla founder Elon Musk paid 3.27% of his wealth in the federal income taxes. In the same period, Buffett's wealth increased by over $24 billion and he paid a true tax rate of 0.10%. The US income tax system is based on the principle that individuals pay tax on their entire gross income and businesses pay tax on their entire net income after expenses are deducted. Unfortunately, expenses cannot be deducted from W-2 income. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about these 3 words which make the rich stay rich: buy, borrow, and die. To explain how the rich exploit the American tax system, Professor Ed McCaffrey coined a phrase more than 2 decades ago: buy, borrow, die. Initially dismissed as overly simplistic by academics and tax professionals, McCaffrey's phrase caught on in 2021, cycling through the news media and re-energizing his campaign to raise awareness about tax inequality. Taxes in the United States are progressive and regressive. Basically, progressive taxation means that the more income you earn, the higher your tax rate. In a regressive tax, also known as a consumption tax, all standard goods are subject to the same rate of tax regardless of their income level. State and local taxes are included in this. Unlike the majority of W-2 employees, the richest Americans pay less in taxes for Social Security and Medicare, 2 of the government's most important programs. Due to the fact that wages make up the bulk of a W-2 earner's total income, payroll taxes are deducted. To assist students in understanding how wealthy people avoid paying taxes, McCaffrey invented the phrase buy, borrow, die in the mid-1990s. According to McCaffrey, there are perfectly legal reasons why the rich get away with paying taxes. Here's how millionaires and billionaires follow this simple 3-step process to protect their hard-earned earnings. Regardless of how much they increase in value, assets that aren't sold or generate cash aren't taxed. Additionally, borrowed money is not taxed, and interest rates are typically lower than income tax rates. Step 1. Buy. Invest in assets that will increase in value without producing income. Build a company on the side first by buying an asset, inheriting a fortune, or renovating rental properties. If you do not sell any assets, you won't owe any capital gains tax or income tax after a year. Step 2. Borrow. Get money to live off an appreciating asset. The bank will provide you with a good deal if you borrow against your holdings, which are as collaterals. It will be my pleasure to lend you $50 million at only 2% interest rate. Despite paying little to low taxable income, they are able to afford their lifestyle through loans. Step 3. Die. Hold the asset until death to avoid the 20% capital gains tax when it can be sold off tax-free by children or spouses. For their heirs to inherit their assets tax-free, the wealthy use complicated trusts and philanthropic foundations. As a result, a new generation of ultra-wealthy new money can flow into the system. Your trust assets should be transferred smoothly to your dependents when you have a comprehensive estate plan. Donating anonymously to charitable organizations is a great way to support those in need even if you want to rise up the socioeconomic ladder. It is clear that you are helping yourself more if you donate $1 million to the library of your children's college. You can also donate $1 million to an entire wing of a building for legacy-giving purposes. In this era when the tax system is being repaired slowly while Congress members appear to engage in insider trading, now is the time to increase your allocation into the market and make use of your skills in multiple areas, or else the tax system will always be against you. When you take the risk of starting something of your own and have the guts to do it, you can save on federal income tax. Blue-collar middle-class Americans, who are usually reliant on single W-2 paycheck and have a majority of their net worth in a home or car, are disadvantaged by the tax system. You can compound wealth in a stable, inflation-proof way with a primary residence, but without investments, a side hustle, or uncorrelated assets, you cannot go too far. Do you want to become a millionaire? I believe the majority people would answer yes. I might not be able to help you become a millionaire, but you can get unlimited tips and ideas on finance through subscribing to my channel. I'm Melisandra, obsessed with financial info and deals. I will see you soon.